I'm Francis Donovan, and this is a quick overview of the digital ad campaign I did for Oskar Blues Brewery and their Burning Can Festival. Burning Can is Oskar Blues' annual celebration of the Colorado outdoor lifestyle, and it's also a celebration of what made Oskar Blues famous: craft beer in a can. The festival is a day packed with participatory and spectator activities highlighted by the Beer Festival. The Beer Festival hosts a massive 70 breweries from around the country. Ticket sales for the Beer Fest is the primary revenue driver of the event. Since I'm a marketing consultant specializing in strategic and digital marketing, my role for the Burning Can Festival was to execute a digital ad campaign. Due to a small management budget, I was limited to using just Facebook and Instagram ads. No other paid marketing were used to promote the festival. And this year's performance goals were to increase ticket sales by 15% while achieving a 2x return on ad spend. The ad campaign ran for the 2 months leading up to the Burning Can Festival. The ad spend budget was relatively small at $5,000. My goal was to drive $10,000 in sales from the ads. Turns out, I was able to crush this goal. My ad campaign delivered over $26,000 in ticket sales. I also nearly doubled the growth goal of the event, hitting an overall event sales growth of 29%. How did I hit these results? Tracking pixels, relevant ad creative, placement-specific ads, effective audience targeting, retargeting ads, and non-linear ad spend. Let's take a quick look at these tactics. Tracking pixels made sure ad conversion data flowed from the ticketing platform back to Facebook. Ad creative was a combination of carousel ads and video ads highlighting the experience of the festival. Ad format was optimized for maximum impact on mobile. That means square images and vertical video. Audiences were clearly defined in order to drive awareness at a low cost per landing page visit of about 50 cents. Retargeting ads effectively increased the frequency of ads to people interested in Burning Can at key sales periods. Ad spend ramped up as the event approached, shifting the goal of the ads from raising awareness to ticket sales conversions. My ad campaign helped Burning Can reach its best sales and attendance in its history. If you're looking to grow your business with a multi-channel digital ad campaign, please contact me. I'm Francis Donovan, and I look forward to helping you reach your goals.